Time feels obvious today, but for most of human history, no clocks existed. So how did we learn to measure something we can't see with precision today? In the next few minutes, you'll discover how humans track time, from shadows and dripping water to ticking gears and atomic vibrations, and why accuracy reshaped civilization. Early hunter-gatherers watched the sky. Sunrise, moon phases, and seasons signaled when to hunt or harvest. Time was natural, cyclical, and imprecise, good enough to survive. Communities began building monuments aligned to the sun, like Stonehenge. These massive calendars marked solstices, anchoring rituals and agriculture to predictable points in the year. The first true clocks appeared as sundials. A simple stick cast a shadow that moved with the sun, dividing daylight into regular hours for the first time. But sundials failed at night, in caves, and on cloudy days. Civilizations like Egypt, Babylon, India, China, and Greece turned to clepsydras, steady water clocks that counted hours. In East Asia, incense clocks and calibrated candles burned at known rates. Smell and flame became tools for monks, scholars, and courts to schedule prayers and work. By the 1200s and 1300s, mechanical tower clocks emerged in Europe. Using verge escapements and heavy weights, they ticked continuously, ringing bells to regulate city life each day. Accuracy slowly improved. The minute hand appeared in the 1600s. Springs replaced weights, shrinking clocks into portable watches that wealthier travelers could carry across mountains and seas. In 1656, Christian Huygens built the first reliable pendulum clock. The swinging pendulum created a steady rhythm, cutting errors from minutes a day to seconds for astronomers. At sea, knowing time meant knowing longitude. In the 1700s, John Harrison engineered marine chronometers that kept time on rolling ships, revolutionizing navigation and saving lives. Industrialization turned time into discipline. Factory whistles and timetables demanded precision. Railroads exposed chaos. Every town kept local solar time, causing dangerous scheduling conflicts across whole networks. By the late 1800s, nations adopted standardized time zones. In 1884, an international conference set Greenwich, England, as 0 degrees longitude and global times reference for railways. Telegraph lines synchronized clocks across continents. Cities dropped daily time balls or fired cannons at noon so ships and citizens could reset their watches precisely each day. In 1927, researchers built the first quartz clock. A vibrating quartz crystal oscillated at a fixed frequency, producing unprecedented stability and making precise wristwatches affordable for millions. True accuracy arrived with atomic clocks. In 1955, the first practical cesium clock defined the second using quantum transitions, drifting less than a second in millions of years. Today, GPS satellites carry atomic clocks. Your phone calculates location by comparing arrival times of their signals, meaning modern navigation depends entirely on ultra-precise shared time across Earth. Because Earth's rotation is irregular, scientists created coordinated universal time. Occasionally, they insert a leap second to keep atomic time aligned with the planet's wobble and drift. Beyond technology, timekeeping reshaped culture. Church bells, prayer calls, school bells, and shift sirens organized daily life, turning subjective moments into shared schedules across towns and cities. We also built calendars to track longer cycles, religious festivals, taxes, and politics. Controlling the calendar or the clock often meant controlling power and economies throughout history worldwide. Scientific revolutions relied on accurate time. Astronomy, physics, and chemistry all demanded precise measurement, from timing eclipses to measuring reaction rates and the speed of light. Once clocks ruled, workdays, commutes, and leisure became scheduled. Trains left at exact minutes. Factories paid by the hour. Time became money, and stress sometimes followed for everyone. Even with digital precision, our brains still feel time unevenly. Boredom stretches it. Excitement shrinks it. Timekeeping measures the world, but perception remains deeply human and subjective. So the story of timekeeping is the story of civilization, how we turned shadows, water, gears, and atoms into a single heartbeat the world can share every day. Stay curious. The next time you glance at a clock, remember, Behind that simple number lies thousands of years of human problem-solving, creativity, debate, and precise engineering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.